I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Give me your favorite dishes and your favorite food. But anyway, today I got some good news. Banana leaf. A lot of people might say, where Chef Ricardo get banana leaf? In London, in the UK. But I want to tell you something, guys. You can get banana leaf to buy. You can get this from the food market, or you can go online and order it online. Banana leaf is a thing where most Jamaican normally used to do, like blue jars, or to do different stuff, or even to make chops and all these things. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can do a lot of stuff with banana leaf. And I want to simply say to you, you can get banana leaf to buy. And if you want to order some banana leaf, you can go online and order banana leaf from probably, if you check even the local market or the local supermarket in your area, you can get banana leaf to buy. So it's amazing, guys, that we can get banana leaf to buy. And also what you can do, you can freeze it and it's still fresh and nice. Right here, which I have 2 banana leaf, and this is the way how it look. And I'm gonna make some blue jars and I'm gonna make some chops. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna freeze one, and I'm gonna use one to do some bits and pieces, so you will see the video them. So guys, remember, banana leaf, you can order it online and you can get it, and there's many places you can get banana leaf. In the market, in the supermarkets, as I say, it's available online. Alright, so check in the market or in the shop, or ask someone, where can I get some banana leaf to buy, because a lot of people used to banana leaf to make chops, use it to make like blue jars and a lot of different kind of stuff. If you're a Jamaican and you're living in a foreign country, like probably in the United States of America or in England or some in Canada, and you want to get some banana leaf to do something at home to show the kids them what Jamaican dishes are about. Anyway, you will see the video them which we're gonna do with some banana leaf. So thank you so much, guys, and hopefully you will see some more stuff from Chef Ricardo. Remember, you can get a copy of my cookbook on Amazon and many different places. So guys, enjoy it, and hopefully we'll see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.